Okay, folks, so this is Inside Liberia, and of course we are here at the Temple of Justice, and as you may be informed that Saye Town has been a place of attraction where a lot of residents have been homeless, and of course we are at the Temple of Justice and we do not know exactly what they have come for, so we're going to be reaching out to them to tell us exactly what they have come here to the court. And so I don't know who will be the first person we'll talk to. Let's talk to you, sir. Welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
What is your name?
I'm Weah Thompson the chair.
Where are you from?
From Saye Town, a descendant of J.H. Harry Preston.
Why are you here at the Temple of Justice?
Because my property was being demolished by order from the court.
How did the whole thing start?
We don't know. We just woke up 5 o'clock yesterday, Saturday morning. I received a call from a tenant in the residence. Say, oh, some cold power or the follow a play of police force. Being a police officer, I proceeded to the place to understand what was going on. When I got there, I met the sheriff. I said, what order are you implementing? Then he provided me a copy of the writ. So then I took the writ already. I said, for the writ, it said you must ousted, you must eject, and you must evict. It did not say you must demolish. Why are you using bulldozers to break the property? Because we know, we feel that we know both. So I said, this thing here, it shouldn't be what you're doing. So he said that the order from the court can't do nothing. So I said, we're having our property, we're having documents to our claims here. So you can't come here, we're all notifying us, calling us for a meeting or conference to say, oh, this place for us, we bought the land period a year ago. My grandparents bought the land and passed it on down to my parents, and my parents in turn passed the land on down to us as children. And they play, we've been occupying the place for 78 years, since 1948, according to our deed, since 1948.
Information having that this issue has been in court. How true is it?
I did not know, because we did not receive any information. The court, if the person knows that they get issue or all issue, I invited us, but they did not invite us. The court did not do due diligence to send for us to come and investigate, do investigative survey on the property or the deed the person gave to them.
Who is the person that is claiming this land?
One so-called Erie number that I have never seen.
But have you?
I have not seen him. How will I meet with him?
So what I'm getting from you is that you just saw, the officers.
I just saw the officers.
And when they served you the document, right away the demolition started.
They started the demolition before I got there, because I'm not living on the premises.
Okay.
I live in Broadway. And I came in town for a workshop. I'm an instructor at the AMEU. We came for a teacher workshop.
Okay.
So at the workshop, that when I received a call from my son, because my son is residing in the property.
Right.
So he said, oh, they play follow with police. It fell on the things, some poor things, still on the racket that they break from there, from the
Before demolition of such can go on, a very huge one, the lawmaker of the district can always be in the know. What have the lawmaker, especially from your district, have said to you people?
Well, I will not speak for a lawmaker, because as far as I'm concerned, when they were doing that demolition that very day, according to some people, they said the lawmaker was around. But I in person did not see the lawmaker. What he said, what he did not say, I did not hear a word from him.
It's good that we asked, because he's an elder person for the community. He's one of the elders. So have you met him talking about vetting? You guys have vetting. Have you met him, and what have you said?
We spoke with the lawmaker.
Okay, let's talk to him.
Okay. Yeah, we spoke with the lawmaker, and the lawmaker said the law is the law.
What's the name, sir?
My name is Jesse Wadia.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a resident of Saye Town.
All right.
He said the law is the law, and the case is holding to him. There's nothing he can do. That got out angry.
Okay, he said he can't do nothing about it.
Yeah, the law is the law, and the case is holding to him. That got out angry. We even tell him to leave the side, because
So in furtherance to that, right? He just posted on his Facebook account that he have accused like 3.5 million Liberian dollars, and that will be distributed among you.
yeah, the information we got, the men are buying this property.
So are you guys willing to accept his money?
No. The information we got, the men are demolishing our property now. Who bought this place? It's the same man that gave the lawmaker the money.
Okay, the man who prompted the demolition.
Yes.
Is the one who gave him money to the lawmaker to give it to you.
For 60,000.
Do you people have evidence of what you're talking about?
For sure.
how can you,
People
just...
from your office, from the Ewe Nangwe man office, give all that information. We can't disprove the name now because that will affect that job.
Who is Eric Nangbe?
One guy who claims to have money and buying all properties in Saye Town down there.
So what was the clear information as to when this Iwe guy acquired this property?
They come again?
What was the clear information as to when the Iwe guy in question,
Iwe
when
been
did he
sending
acquire
people on the field. His high agent have been going on the field trying to solid names and he want to help residents of Saye Town that this property have been bought by him. You see that? And we tell you, say, oh, but the people that sold the property to our parents, well, now if you enter rate to us to say, oh, they want to see us or they want to meet us, that only you. So it's not possible.
So before this thing, has Eric brought document and say, oh look, let me tell you, I have bought all of these places.
Nothing of search can. You have never done that.
Was there a notice served to residents of that community?
No, as we said, this is the paper. This is the only paper.
This carry 2020.
You say what?
This carry 2020.
This
February 24, 2020. My name is Elton Taku.
Okay, Elton, tell us.
Resident of Saye Town. Born in my era. Since 44 years ago, I've been living there.
So the question here is, you are known to the court. What are you doing here?
We came for justice. We came for justice. That justice should prevail. Why people can't break property down, we're all giving legal document to us. There Johnson, Fetua Johnson is the owner of the property. What got all these is carrying Fetua Johnson. I can be Fetua Johnson, what someone bad for me at the end of the day, I waste war back on them. Not possible.
Fetua Johnson is a
grantor. We bought from Fetua Johnson.
Okay.
And Fetua Johnson won their case now. There's a case that Fetua Johnson won. Fetua Johnson was coming against the patient and another person. But Fetua Johnson won the case.
Okay.
And when you win the case in law, you should go back to who you sold to. Okay. The law said that what my parents have sold, I will now undo it. Definitely.
Where is the Fetua Johnson?
The Fetua Johnson is no longer alive. Chesapeake is no longer alive. The children doing this thing.
The children of Fetua Johnson.
Fetua Johnson. That's why they use the document. And they won the case. If you win a case, such a thing, and you come back to who is sold to confirm it. Oh yes, they are not sold, but they never consult on anything.
I come in. You little bit emotional, and you provide tangible information.
I will give it correct.
Yeah, please take your time and explain detail of what you're talking about. What are you talking about?
Their case was in court between the Chesapeake and the administrator for this property, Fetua Johnson.
Fetua Johnson.
They were going against one bishop and another name here.
Okay.
They went to court and Fetua Johnson won the case according to the paper.
Okay.
Fetua Johnson is our grantor. She the one we bought from.
Okay.
For the past from Pope Benja on the land more than 80 years after Johnson to that 70 some more years. I born there and tears are making 44 years. And my father had property before I even born. Okay. And my father was a surveyor for the Johnson family. Okay. My father served as surveyor for the Johnson. I think I served as surveyor at the pin. Okay. So the case, that kind of case, when even you win the case here, come back to those that you sold to.
So Fetua Johnson have won the case.
The case.
Since when? It's not mentioned there.
Since 2020.
Since 2020, February 20th, 24, 2020, document they used to infake on.
Earlier on, I asked you, you said you weren't aware of any case being in court in regards to this land.
Yes, this land.
They're not between us.
The
case was not between us. The court case is between the both parties.
We are granted.
Okay, you guys bought the land.
From Fetua Johnson.
Separate families, okay.
Fetua Johnson is someone going to court, that's my business.
Okay.
The partner win the case from the court, but they can't consult me on the, oh, this party win, this party lost. We be actually do that one, do that one. We waiting to do it.
So,
but Fetua Johnson, fortunately for us, Fetua Johnson, our grantor won the case.
Okay.
After winning the case, you come back on the land to people that your parents sold to. Their property was sold by Fetua Johnson herself. And Fetua Johnson is no longer alive since the 90s. There children acting on the property today now. They use Chesapeake as the administrator. But Chesapeake is still the administrator for the estate. He is there since 2 years ago.
Okay. So the parents of the current people were the one who gave you permission. And they went to court, they won the case. And they did not come back to say now. So almost your tenants are the one who fighting you.
Yes.
Let's say your grantor are the one who
fighting me now.
Do you have document to all
Genuine document to all my
Have you presented your document to
No,
the
you can't
court?
do anything. Do anything for the kind of case.
So why are you to the court if you have evidence that the people who your own grantor are the one who fighting you? What are you here to the court?
We came to the court, want to seek justice, two, to get a lawyer, because we as individuals cannot go to the court and pray for better information, because only a lawyer can do that.
Okay.
So the lawyer will go there and then ask the court for the case file, to examine the case file and understand how the ruling went, and then you can take for appeal whether you move to the Supreme Court or come down back to the lower court.
So people
Why are you people not going to your lawmaker to be the best part?
You can't understand. We just told you that lawmaker say the case is bigger than him. It's older than him. Why do we go back to him? We already get it in the air that the even man getting 60,000 to divide on the people that have been victim. Then why going back to him?
How long?
Insult them more?
How long you'll be in this pressure?
How long?
How long?
How long?
How long they
How long will be in there until we can see justice?
There's a rumors about the former president trying to give you guys aid. How authentic is it?
According to
information, but
you're not
we
sure yet.
can't verify.
So with all these things you're doing, let's be clear here today, right? Now you have been homeless, you don't have area now, your place has been broken down.
Yeah.
So when eminent citizen of Liberia decide to take you somewhere that you'll be found home, were you willing to still go through the judicial process?
Yes. That property, that inheritance, it came from my grandfather down to my mother, down to me, and from me to my children, to my grandchildren.
We are not willing to sell it.
We're not willing to sell. We need our property back.
Nobody is selling property.
Nobody is selling property, so we're not even suing for 50 million.
So my name is Joseph Selu from. I want to know, where are you guys lodging currently?
Most are lodging in the street.
For me, I'm lodging on the street, the place they broke. I can spray my mattress and lie down there to sleep.
How long you been living in Saye Town?
I'm the granddaughter for Elizabeth Susanna King Johnson.
Okay.
Where the school and the church got broken because I had school that run from elementary to 9th grade. And the church was demolished the same day.
If you were asked to provide document, did your grandparent or parent left the document of the property?
Yes.
Do you have it in your possession?
We got it in our possession.
How many children do you have?
Do you have children there?
Got children there.
Okay.
Because the deed is bearing grandchildren and great-grand.
Okay.
For that land is bearing grandchildren and great-grand. And my mother was born on that land. My aunts were born there. And I myself are born there and I even live there up to present. Right now I'm homeless. Even the children parents that in school, they came to our place asking how will the children go back to school.
Okay.
And the school was
Before we reach to the issue of demolitions, in the code and you have all the different port and pool from one point to another, the people go through that process of the direct code process that led to the demolition. Is that all?
We never invited to the court.
Never invited to court.
That was my name continue repeating. The case was not between all and nobody. They both grantors who say they own the property that they were doing the fight. The Johnson were representing us, and they were fighting. They were fighting the bishop. So for us, we are not representing the court. We are only represented by the Johnson. So if our grantor that give all the property go and win case today, then you come back to wage war.
So if before the demolition, they didn't pass around with citations? Or
No.
Nothing. No citation.
Because I explained the same situation in, and then the property was between two families. The other person had different judgment. That is, the case in the court, your lawyer did not turn out to make any move, right? And then the other party lawyer filed, and then they could go in favor of them. But then they could send people or sheriff to send out citations, and then the other tenants or those renting around there started making confusion. Oh, we don't know about it, not knowing that this matter came to court. But then the other party lawyer did not turn out, and they had different judgment against them that led to. So I don't know whether you people have similar situation.
Yeah, that means that country 1 minute again. I don't talk my name continue to be. If just in case if Bishop could have win the case, I could be victim. I could say no, I get no case because Bishop is not my grantor. The main thing I'm pushing out. Federal Maxwell Johnson is my grantor. Federal Maxwell Johnson one case to waste war on me back. It's my issue again. So if the bishop will win, it means the bishop winning.
Let me ask this question.
Yes.
Before Zefiro died, did you people have any meeting with the children now today that are claiming the property?
No. People are dying in America.
Is there a misunderstanding between tenants and the owners of the
Yeah, let's be clear. Let people know exactly.
Are there existing issue between you and the family?
The issue between the bishop and the Johnson.
But why do you think the family now will want to claim the property?
You know, as time go by, the mind of human being changes.
Because they want
people
money.
having the mindset of corrupt mind. My father was a surveyor. Number 40 surveyor lends my energy. My father had 2 acres. He sold it before. He sold it for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. At that time, 20 years ago was important for us to educate us, to send us to sustain us. I can't go back and see all that place for that people. What my father do, I can't undo it.
Okay.
So that's my major point there.
If the family is willing to resell the property to you people, are you willing to rebuy?
No, you can't resell the property because I already have a guarantee. If the bishop could win, a bishop they want to say, I will pay a bishop to buy.
Okay.
Let's talk to the women who are here. Welcome. What is her name?
My name is Rose.
Okay.
Rose, I think I'm on the Facebook Live.
Okay. Yeah, you like. Why are you here? Why are you here?
We came here the morning to seek justice.
Okay.
As I said before, we want justice because the place on the field street, we didn't just go to sit there or to occupy the place. Our parents bought those places, you understand? And we had satisfied deed for it that we bought from the Johnson family. So what I can understand is that whether there is a law that says when you buy a property from somebody, like for example, the Johnson family, then after a certain amount of years, the person can come back and reclaim that property. Is there any law in Liberia that says that? Because with our current situation, that's what they're trying to explain to us. And since we came here this morning, with our current situation now, we need immediate intervention. See me standing, I don't even well. I sick. That my son right there. When the people came, they want to drag my son. He phone and I hurting him. And you understand? So we can't even give him a story. You are just you are too late. How will be sleeping? How will be surviving when we are?
What's the size of your land and how long you've been?
I know the exact size of my land. If I survey, I can call the exact size of the land my father kept down here.
And how long you been there?
We've been there since the 80s.
Since
our
the 80s.
parents been there.
Okay.
And we came and we settled there too.
I don't know if you and the colleague who talk here have the same opinion, because in talking about his parents bought land from the Johnson, right? Victoria
Yes.
Johnson.
Yes.
And then the land there was some argument, but in the process, the Johnson won a case. Is that the same case, or you have separate issues?
And the same case, that's why I'm trying to ask you the question whether you can buy a place from somebody, then after a certain amount of years, the person come back for the place. Because we bought those places from the Johnson family, the Victoria Johnson Maxwell woman. Her name on my father did.
So having listened to all of you, people are listening to you. What exactly you want from the property?
I need assistance. Yeah, as you can see me, I'm not well. I said it on the social media. I'm not well. You see me? I'm sick. If you see me that day, I'm sick. I'm not well. I'm sick. And me, my children are sick. The other one, when you get somebody, and I'm really well. Then you put me so much. How you expecting me for me to suffer? I'm sick. Then nobody to talk for her. Even our representative Princeton, he couldn't say anything. He was there. When I talk about you were in power, even though we have differences, but I can't always stand for your people. What they call representative? When you tell the cutting your people, you say we can't say anything. The law is the law. Then when you representing now, the people we supposed to be talking for, you standing on and making them homeless. Then you telling the people say the law is the law.
And it's not met. According to you, you need justice. With all of these things that you have said here, if your demand is not met, what would be your next score of action?
So, Chief, let me be frank with you. Just how they demolish our property, you can't get justice. Nobody will put nothing will remain rotting, that land will sit and get rotting. Nobody will put anything there.
Are you threatening to be lawless?
In case the police...
the law for me to do, the law for me to take the law in my hand.
Okay.
That's what the law for me to do.
And you will take the law in your hand?
I can take the law in my hand. If the law does not want to seek my defense, I will defend myself.
Yes. Currently, before the civil law court, who is representing you here? Why are you here?
That's why I came for to seek justice. But if we can't get justice, that's why I'm using the proposition if If we can't get justice, then we seek justice for ourselves.
You're just going to find out, but people don't have any case here.
No, we don't have case there. We just can, our lawyer just can pray for the fact to establish or certain how the case went, so you can go for.
Who is your lawyer now?
What is the name of your lawyer? Can we talk to your lawyer now?
If you look for him, you get one Abdullah Sharia, one of our lawyer. So if you look for him, you can talk to him on the case, the fifth case.
What information has he provided so far?
Since you came here?
Since you came here, he told us to remain calm. He's going to pray for the case file for him to review the docket.
Okay.
Since he has not come yet.
And you're still waiting for him?
We're still waiting.
Okay,
so he won't met with the judge. He's waiting, and the judge told us that he understands our condition. He plead our case. He will hold our peace and let the judge and do what the lawyer and do what they can do. So that while we see our girl here around here waiting calmly.
Okay.
Doing nothing.
So we'll be around, we'll talk to your lawyer, and then what's your outcome?
Yeah, go on.
From the room in there, when we want to meet with the lawyer, right? From we went to meet with the judge. From what he even said, you understand? It didn't go down well with me.
What you say?
Because for our situation now I sympathize with your situation here. We can be homeless with you. In fact, the case here, I don't want to what the case here before. Oh, I know about that case in 2020. But when the sheriff went at I was not in a no. So who get the sheriff mandate to go and demolish area? Who get the sheriff made it so okay, you go there for the evasion process. When you say you proceed, I know resided or the particular case, the letter will show him.
All right, thank you so much.
So we will be around, we will find out from the lawyer, anything will get back.
Thank you.
Okay. And so we hope that we can still, be around to talk to, their lawyers, but we're still around, still trying to get the relevant conversation, maybe the details. We hope they have also blamed and shift blame on their lawmaker of now actually, representing them. In as a representative in terms of oversight. So thank you so much. All you get is to share the videos, and of course so that people can follow the event here at the Temple of Justice. And of course we thank you so much. Share the video all over, and so that people can follow the issue of Saye Town. My name is Emmanuel Mopolu. Thank you so much for the time.